This is a very common question I get from our customers. Enterprise app and app registration are two different options to configure and manage applications in Azure AD. If you are an application developer, then you use app registration. So you go into the app registration, configure different URLs, and then configure ID token, access token, or you can configure different set of permissions in your application. Once you configure these permissions, then you can use MS Graph into your application. This is more like a developer story. Now, when you go to the enterprise app, it is the space for IT administrators. That means administrator can able to see the app gallery and choose different types of SaaS applications from there. They are also called as software as a service. Administrator can choose different cloud platforms, or they can create even app proxy applications from it. Once the application has been added from the gallery, we can configure it for single sign-on. It can be SAML single sign-on, it can be a user provisioning, and things like that. One of the major things which administrator does is after configuring, they assign that application to users and groups. That means they can decide who is going to use this application in my organization. They can also able to apply different conditional access policies for security reason on your application. Although you have developed an application using app registration, administrators still have to come into the enterprise app and provide a consent to that particular app. And that way, they can able to manage your application so that the users can use it along with the security what they need. And this is the major difference between enterprise app and app registration.